Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing like a mini vlog. So I'm going to Milan to do a pop-up. I'm gonna share everything. I don't do a lot of vlogging when I travel, so I'm gonna do my best just to show you the experience over the pop-up. It's not really a pop-up, it's a market that they do there, and I usually go. I went like 2 times already and I really loved it. I will be doing some of these sets that I really did in the past. I already have some fabric, but I need to get more because I need to send some of the sets to another part of Italy. So we're gonna go and look this fabric. I really love it. It's like a jersey cotton. I don't know how it's called. I'm also gonna do a dress just because I want to see how that turns out. I'm gonna link all people to my website, so if they want the dress they can go ahead and go and buy it over there because I'm not gonna take so many to the store. So I'm gonna share over these several blogs, preparation, how I get to the market and such, and some inventory information. Maybe this could be good for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this table so I can use all the floor because I have a lot of fabric. So let's do that. I also print some of the documentation for the market and did this like info for the people, and I didn't do it last time that I was there, but I see someone that had it and I think they're looking really nice. So in this particular blog, I think we are gonna do mainly cutting and start assembling the pieces. So I divided in S, M, and L just because I don't want to take a lot of inventory. I'm gonna take what I can. So I do also have lasers to go and take over there, and I also have pending like 3 to 4 shirts to upcycle. So we are also gonna do that in one of these vlogs. So let's get started and let's get cutting a lot of cutting. So I have all the patterns that we're gonna work with, and also I have like this little papers with sizes, so we're gonna go ahead and put everything there. So these are the example of the sets that we're gonna take to the market. So I already have cut a lot of sets, so this is how I put everything. Everything is divided by size and also type of product. So guys, I want to share how the sets turn out. I think they're looking really cute. Please share your feedback, but these are the sets. I did this color and also did the like a sand color one. Is this one. I'm gonna share you guys more right now over the video, but I hope you like them and see you next time. And if you like this video or any other, please subscribe below.